Hi everyone, today we're going to do a Colourpop haul. My order came in. It's very, very bubble wrapped. Alright, the first thing in here is the Meant to Be palette. Just in time, maybe I can mix this with the Lucky You palette and make a St. Patrick's Day look. Oh, they're very pretty. It's a nice pastel palette. It's very beautiful. I'm gonna toss the boxes on the ground. All right. Then we have Good as Gold palette. It just spoke to me. I really just wanted it. It's got the shade names on the back and inside, so that's good. Look at that. Can you take this off? Those are stunning. Can't wait to use these. All That. I think this is their Valentine's Day one. Ooh, that is very pretty. It's got the shade names on the back and on the palette also. So I guess like if I'm going like this, telling you all the shade names, I could see it. All right. I save all this for the giveaways and like boxes over there. I got the Yes Please palette because when I saw that it was supposed to be a dupe for one of the Urban Decay palettes, I was curious. So I got this. It's got the names on the front and the back. And I'll go back and see what one it was supposed to be a dupe for. Then I got y'all the Blue Moon palette. Let's make sure there's nothing wrong with it. Nope, it's perfect. That is y'all's. That goes in the giveaway box for the autism awareness. Let's just throw this over to the side. Just playing. This one goes safely over there. All right, then this one is the designer collection. This is the Princess palette from Colourpop. I figure I had the misunderstood one, so I kind of needed the other ones to go with it. There it is. The names are on the front and the back. I like that. We're keeping this box. I want to see. It's got, looks like signatures of all of them. Jasmine, Belle, Cinderella. So I wanted to look at that box a little more. And then the last one is I'm a Sucker for You. It's got a little card in there. I like that. Colourpop. Of course, the invoice. And then I got the Midnight Masquerade. So I officially have everything except for all those blushes and all that. Ooh, I really like that too. That one shade, that pinky shade, and the Royal Ball shade are calling to me, but they're glitters. So we'll have to see what happens there. I don't think I'm keeping this box, but I'm going to keep it all right there. All right, so that is everything from Colourpop. I'm loving their palettes, so that's why I keep buying from them. And plus I love these. But that is everything from the Colourpop haul. Sorry this video was so short, or you're welcome. Oh, but I do have these. My sister-in-law is crocheting earrings. She also crochets a lot of other stuff if you could find like a pattern to what you want. I don't know about how long this is. This isn't really me. I haven't worn earrings in so long. Let's see. Figured I'd mention it, throw it in there, because she gave it to me and asked me if I would mention it on my channel. This may end up bad for me because it looks like I'm gonna have to poke through the old hole. Oh, there we go. I don't know if, if you take this part off, see what I mean? That would be very pretty, and like add this to a different earring. I may have irritated this ear because I could only wear 14 karat gold earrings. I had my belly button pierced and found out I was allergic to surgical steel and hyperallergenic stuff because it never healed after a year. Yeah. But there they are. I think she charges $10 for these. I will try to get a link to whatever or her email and put it below, because she does make a lot of other things. If you have something that you've seen crocheted and you have a pattern and you want it, she might be able to do that. I don't know how much it would cost, but I know she can follow the pattern. So I hope y'all all have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.